everyone, welcome back to Desi Fusion Kitchen. We're a husband and wife couple that makes vegetarian recipes and we post them twice a week. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you get all our updates, and thank you to all our family and friends and whoever else has been subscribed to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick Indian dessert recipe. It's super simple. It's called Ladoos, and the particular one I'm making is coconut Ladoos. So the ingredients you need is 1.5 cups of fine powdered coconut shreds, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And these 2 ingredients will be heating up together, so the condensed milk it has a nice combination with the coconut shreds. And then I'm going to split them into 3 different flavors. So we're going to do rose. I have a tablespoon of rose syrup right here. Saffron. I have a pinch full of saffron threads in a teaspoon of milk that's already been soaking. Vanilla bean. These are whole beans, and you can use vanilla extract. You just split open a bean and then take out a few of the seeds. And then we'll put some cardamom in each of the flavors. So I'm turning on the gas on medium. First we're going to take our condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of it. And 2. Just letting it heat up for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add the coconut shreds. Okay, it's heated up. Now I'm going to throw the shreds in here. And we're going to mix this really well. And you can leave it on super sim or low until all the condensed milk is nicely incorporated into the condensed milk. And there you go. It took just like a minute to get it all nice and mixed together. Alright, now we're done. I'm gonna split the coconut into 3 parts and then add the flavors. So I've taken 3 different bowls. Alright, now we're gonna put the flavors in. I'm gonna put the rose in this one, saffron, and the vanilla in this one. So I cut open the bean. I'm just going to scrape a little bit. It's a strong flavor, so just a little bit of the vanilla. And I will put it in there and I will mix it with my hands in just a sec. Okay, I put all the 3 flavors in. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cardamom in each one. And this is powdered cardamom. And now you just mix each flavor with your hands and make little balls or big ones, it doesn't matter. I wash my hands and I'm going to start with the rose flavor. You can decorate with pistachios or almonds too. Now I'm going to do the saffron flavor. Wash my hands again. And the last flavor.
No. Okay, I'll stop this.
So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna roll the ladoos in some dry coconut. You don't have to, but it just gives it a nice look. So I'm just gonna roll each one in here. So here we go. Okay guys, we're done with the ladoos. As you can see, that was super quick. It took like less than 10 minutes. The hardest part is making them to round circles. Everything else is super simple. So if you have a sweet tooth, just one of these after a meal and it will hit the spot. If you like our recipes, keep watching and wait for the next. If you like our channel, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks. See you.